Hey, this is Miss Kirkman coming to you with another how-to. This is for some of you who were not in our Google Meet when we talked about how to set up our math notebook. So what you want to do is you want to decide which one of your notebooks is going to be your math notebook, and you're going to open it up to the first page in the spiral notebook. So you have your cover, you flip your cover over so that it's on the left-hand side, and you have your first page on the right. This is where you want to label it table of content. So you can pause this video as you take care of writing table of content across the top of the page, and then you can start it back when you're ready to move on. Now that you have the table of contents on the first page, I want you to turn that page to where now it is on the left-hand side. Then you're going to number your pages in your notebook. So you're going to start numbering in the corner up here at the top, and you can see where mine is labeled on the page, and it's number 1. You flip the page, then this becomes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you keep on numbering until you have no more pages to number in your notebook. Your page numbers are always going to be on the right-hand side in the white space at the top. Again, you can refer to this screen as a reference place for you. So the table of contents is where we are going to do topic areas. And so the first thing that we did was we numbered our first line, number 1, and then we wrote math notebook example. So when we wrote that, we flipped to page 1, and up at the very top in the white space, we wrote learning targets. And then in the rest of your line spaces, we wrote notes with an arrow that goes down, indicating that that space where your blue lines are is where you will take notes when we are doing different topics, writing new vocabulary words, and things like that. Now, you will need to go through each module where we had written down new vocabulary words and get those vocabulary words written down. Our second entry that we did in the table of contents, we wrote number 2 under number 1, and our topic is area. So again, you will have to go back to what we have already done so far. I will try to upload a picture of what mine looks like so far so that you can catch up on getting your vocabulary words written down in your notebook. That's all I have for you today on setting up your notebook. So I hope this has been helpful.